Good day, everyone. Today we're going to present our research proposal entitled Student Perception on Global Migration Issues among College Student of Palawan State University, Nara Campus.
So the members of these groups are,
I am Shella May Tolintin.
I am Hannah Jane Noblaza.
and I'm Neil Brian Bay. So now we will proceed to the chapter 1 of our research presentation. To the chapter 1 introduction of our research proposal. So background of the study. Global migration has become one of the defining forces of the 21st century, with millions of people moving across border every year for work, education, safety, and better living conditions. According to the International Organization for Migration 2022, more than 280 million people are currently international migrants, reflecting rapid changes in global mobility patterns. The increasing scale of migration has brought significant economic, social, and political impacts to both sending and receiving countries. Issues such as labor shortage, cultural integration, remittance, diaspora engagement, human trafficking, and refugees crisis have become central to global discourse. In the Philippines, migration is deeply intertwined with national identity and economic survival. The country is one of the largest sources of migrant workers worldwide, with an estimated 2 million overseas Filipino workers deployed annually. Their contribution through remittance have helped stabilize the national economy, support household incomes, and enhance community development. However, despite the economic benefits, Filipino families also experience emotional challenges such as parental absence, family disintegration, and long-term separation. These experiences influence how Filipino youth interpret and understand migration issues. College students are particularly significant in this context because they represent the emerging generations of professionals, leaders, and voters. Their perception towards migration shape future policy, preference, opinions on global issues, and attitudes towards foreign or migrants living in the Philippines. Exposure to subjects like the contemporary world, social studies, and global issues further contributes to their awareness. Moreover, many students personally known or are related to migrants workers, giving them first-hand insight to migration realities. Despite the relevance of the topic, studies that specifically explore the perception of college students towards global migration remained limited. The complexity of migration ranging from economic to humanitarian concerns requires deeper understanding, especially among the youth. Media portrayals, misinformation, and lack of formal education on migration may lead to misconceptions that influence their worldview. So there is a strong need to assess how college students perceive global migration issues. This includes their understanding of the causes and consequences of migration, their attitude towards migrants, and the factor influencing this perception. By doing so, the study contributes valuable knowledge that may guide educators, policymakers, and the institution in enhancing youth understanding of global matters. Examining the perception of college students on global migration issues provides insight into how future Filipino professionals interpret global realities. Their perspectives are essential in promoting empathy, informed decision making, global citizenship, and responsible engagement with international issues. So next we have is the statement of the problems. So this study aims to determine the perception of college students towards global migration issues. Specifically, it seeks to answer the following questions. So first is we have the what is the level of awareness of college students of Palawan State University Nara campus regarding global migration issues? Number two, how do college students of Palawan State University Nara campus perceive the causes and effects of global migration? Number three, what attitudes do college students of Palawan State University Nara campus hold towards migrants and migration policies? Number four, what factors of influence the perception of college student Palawan State University Nara campus of on the global migration issues. Number 5, are there significant differences in perception based on demographic characteristic? So next is we have the objective of the study. The general objective of this study is to assess the perception of college students on global migration issues. So the specific objectives is to determine the level of awareness of college students regarding global migration. Next is we have the to identify their perceptions of the causes and consequence of global migration. Next is to examine their attitudes towards migrants and migration policies. Next is to identify factors that influence their perception. The last is to determine if demographic variables affect their perceptions. So next is we have the significance of the studies. So to students, helps them become more informed and critical about global issues. To educators, provides insight to improve curriculum integration of global concerns. To policymakers, offers youth perspectives that may inform policy development. To future researchers, serves as a foundation for related studies on migration perception. The next is we have the scope and the limitation. So the study focuses on college students from the selected institutions. It examines their awareness, perception, and attitudes towards global migration issues. Only survey questionnaires will be used. The results apply only to respondents' self-reported data and do not represent all Filipino students.
So now we will proceed to the chapter 2, review of related literature and studies.
Foreign studies. Global migration has increasingly become a subject of academic inquiry, especially in Western and European countries, where migration and flows are significant. Hostels and D. Haas and Miller 2020 emphasize that international migration is shaped by structural global inequalities, political instability, and economic demands. Their work highlights how globalization accelerates labor mobility and cultural exchange, urging societies to adapt to increasing diversity. These global patterns influence how students, particularly in developed countries, understand and interpret migration. Studies further show that young adults are highly influenced by media representation of migrants. According to Smith 2019, college students in the United States form their attitudes largely based on news narrative and social media exposure. Media framing often shape whether migration is viewed positively, emphasizing humanitarian concerns or negatively highlighting fears of economic competitions or national security issues. Another study by Carling and Collins 2018 found that students who engage in academic discussion on migration tend to develop more nuanced and empathetic views. Exposure to migration-related coursework increase awareness regarding refugee protections, labor mobility, and human rights. Students also become more critical of the stereotypes when provided with structured learning. In European context, migration has been a major political topic due to refugee crisis and labor migration across EU borders. Research in Germany and Italy indicates that students' perceptions vary depending on how migration affects local communities of Hoffman and Samok 2020. Some students express support for migrant integration while others worry about employment and cultural difference. Studies in Australia and Canada reveal that multicultural societies encourage more positive perceptions of migrants. According to Lee 2021, students in diverse communities often interact with people from different cultural backgrounds, which foster acceptance, empathy, and global awareness. Foreign literature highlights that student perception of global migration issue are influenced by media, education, personal interaction, and socio-political environments. These findings support analyzing perceptions among Filipino college students who experience similar influence through globalization and social media. Local studies. In the Philippines, migration is deeply rooted in the nation's social and economic history. The Stella 2018 emphasizes that the Philippines' long-standing labor export policy has shaped public understanding of migration as a means of economic improvement. This national dependence on migrant labor strongly influences youth perspectives on overseas work. Reyes and Tabuga 2021 found that Filipino youth exhibit high awareness of migration because many have relatives overseas. These personal connections make them familiar with both benefits and challenges, such as economic support, family separation, and emotional strain. Local studies also emphasize the role of education in shaping awareness. Serrano 2020 found that students exposed to subjects on globalization and contemporary world issues develop a deeper understanding of migration causes, including poverty, job scarcity, and global inequalities. Academic exposures enable students to adopt more critical viewpoints toward migrations. Gonzalez 2019 revealed that Filipino students generally view migration positively due to its financial advantages and contributions to national development. Still, many express concerns about brain drain and dependency on remittances, issues frequently mentioned in national discussions. A study by Devera 2020 explored youth attitudes toward returning migrants, showing that students appreciate the skills and experiences returning OFWs bring home. This find indicates that young Filipino recognize migrations as a process which both economic and cultural effects. Local literature shows that Filipino students' perceptions are influenced by personal experience, family background, educational exposure, and national realities. This emphasizes the importance of studying how Filipino college students understand global migration issues. Conceptual frameworks. So our independent variables are demographic profile, media exposure, academic background, personal experiences. Dependent variable. Perception on global migration issues. Intervening variables are awareness level, attitudes toward migration. So now let us proceed with chapter 3, which is the research and methodology. Research design. A descriptive quantitative research design will be used to assess student perceptions of global migration issues through a structured survey questionnaire. Research locale. The study will be conducted in a selected college or university accessible to the researchers. Population and sampling. Respondents will be randomly selected college students. Stratified random sampling will be used to ensure representation across different year levels. Research instrument. A researcher-made, expert-validated questionnaire divided into 1. Demographic profile, 2. Awareness of global migration, 3. Perception and attitudes toward migration. Data gathering procedure. Number 1, seek permission from the instructor and school administration. Number 2, distribute validated questionnaires. Number 3, collect and encode results. Number 4, analyze data using statistic tools. Data analysis. Descriptive statistic will be used. Inferential tests may be employed to determine differences in perception based on demographics. Ethical considerations. Participation will be voluntary. Anonymity and confidentiality will be assured. No personal or sensitive information will be disclosed. Respondents may withdraw anytime without penalty.
And these are references. That's all. Thank you.